chocolate gateau all around us. It serves 5 teaspoons and it's all gone. Well, it says it says 5. What's that mean? 5? Does it mean 5 tablespoons? It's all gone. BlackForest gateau all the way. Will you eat it frozen, or I'll have to put it in the microwave? Let's have a look. Oh, it's only a small size. That's frozen, isn't it? Frozen. It'll not be frozen. I'm going to put it in my. Right, guys. You put gateau in microwave. Yeah. There we go. No frozen gateau for me, my lad. No frozen gateau. Get the gateau in the microwave. Oh, lovely. That'll defrost it. Oh, lovely. Got a gateau in the microwave, lads. Red hot gateau. It's going to be red hot. I like mine cooked a little bit longer. I like my gateau cooked a little bit longer. I like my gateau. You put your gateau in the microwave. So get in there, lads. I like mine cooked a little bit hotter. I like mine cooked a little bit hotter. Mine's going to be 4 times hotter. My gateau 4 times hotter. Why wait for it defrosting? Bang it in the microwave. Oh, lovely. Oh, it's lush, that is. Oh, yeah. Gateau. Oh, it's lush. So I get the gateau. Oh, yeah. I'm waiting all day for it to defrost. Bang it in the microwave. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotta lose some weight soon. I'm gonna lose some weight soon, lads. That's on the next agenda. Do you put your gateau in the microwave? It's going down like a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, lovely. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, this is me eating off here, aren't I? Oh, it's going down really nice. Do you put your gateau in the microwave? I do, don't I? I do, don't I? Oh, yeah. It's going down really nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, going down really nice. It says 5 on the bottom. What's that? 5 tablespoons. That's going really nice. I'll start it fresh tomorrow. Sunday fresh start. I might save some for tomorrow. So save half for tomorrow. Let's have 3 more spoonsful. Then we can have some for tomorrow. Yeah. I'll save that bit for tomorrow. And now I do, don't I? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll have to save that bit. I can't I? I'll save that bit for tomorrow. Look, everything in moderation, lads. Oh yeah. Listen, I'm going to save that bit. One more bit. Oh, no. I'm saving that for tomorrow. Yeah, told you, cutting it right down. Well, it is Christmas. I'm starting fresh on 1st of January. Fresh start, 1st of January. It is Christmas.